Ryan Irvine joins me on the line now from Keystone Financial. You know, every year we've been doing the World Outlook Conference for 30 years, but we started working with Keystone Financial, I think 11, 12 years ago on the World Outlook Conference specifically, putting together, asking them to put together with their research our small cap portfolio. And one of my goals, of course, is to make people money. When they come to the conference, I wanted to return their money, and man, have they delivered. Our Outlook small cap portfolio has never failed to do double-digit gains. I'm not saying that's a guarantee going forward, but I'll tell you, I listened to this from last year, up 81% from what we did last year. Things like Expel, recommended at the Outlook Conference of $5.10. It's trading at plus $16, up over 220%. Sangoma, 120 to 255. Boyd Auto Group, not only last year up 68% from the Outlook Conference, but the best performing stocks done here on Money Talks, done at Keystone Financial of the last 10 years in the TSX. It's an unbelievable story, unbelievable winner for Ryan and Aaron. Aritzia, last year, $16.90. $25.26 right now. Questar, $4, $5.15. VersaBank, $7.25, up just about 5%. It's the slowest performer. The average return is 80%. And also, by the way, it wasn't just small cap we did. Aaron Dunn joined us with Microsoft, with Fortinet, Parkland Fuel Corp. And again, you're talking about an average return of 48. I'll tell you, that's a home run. We love it. The people who attended the Outlook Conference love it. As I say, Ryan's on the line with me right now. I just wanted you to hear that, Ryan. It's a what have you done for me lately business, but my gosh, that's a great performance. And you're busy working on this coming up World Outlook Conference. In 2 weeks, you're going to present a new small cap portfolio.
Yeah, and we're really well. Thanks for going through those companies. 9 for 9 doesn't happen often, but it's great to see that. It's great to see we put the research in and come out with those companies. But we're really looking forward to what we can do again to introduce some new companies this year in our 2020 small cap portfolio. And Aaron will be along with some dividend all-stars and a U.S. pick as well. So introduce some new companies. So it'd be great to see. I think that the concept that you get from those, the first 3 companies they mentioned there, Expel, Sangoma, and Boyd, all have been in our coverage for years and years, and recommended at significantly lower prices even to our clients. And like Boyd, there couldn't be a better example of this. We originally recommended it at $2.30 and have talked about it on your show back to when it traded at $5. And so last year, we recommend it again at 128, and people say, how is that possible? Why would you do that? Why would you recommend a stock that you recommended at $2.30 and it's trading at 128? Well, we do a fair value estimate every quarter on these companies. It was trading significantly below fair value. Stock jumped last year around 68%, and it closed on Friday at about $216. So if you find it at a fair value, my big fat idea as a concept would be just to identify great companies. If you have those in your portfolio that are doing something special, continue to own those over time. You don't need too many winners like this in your portfolio in your lifetime to make a game-changing difference. And you will make mistakes, so you need these winners in there and ride them out.
Just tell me very quickly, and because I know you are still working on, you've got 2 weeks today, you are going to be presenting the small cap portfolio to the audience. Is it an easier environment? Is it the same? Is it just always a case of finding values? Can you sum that up very quickly for me?
Yeah, I think it's a little bit tougher right now. I think we've seen there's some select areas of the market, technology, that really had some runs, and you got to be careful to buy cash flow at a reasonable price then. But we're still identifying individual situations where you see value. You really got to look under every rock, leave no stone unturned, but we are finding some value. Generally speaking, the market's pricier than it was even at this time last year, for sure.
Well, I'm really looking forward to hearing what you got to say. Kudos to everyone at Keystone Financial, keystocks.com. Ryan Irvine presenting the World Outlook Conference Small Cap in 2 weeks' time.